Today we are unboxing a coffee grinder by Goat Story. This was a Kickstarter product from the Goat Story team, which I pre-ordered, and it finally arrived. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Been looking forward to this one for a while. It did come very quickly once I got tracking information, and it was shipped in a branded box, and I think it has been double boxed. So not much in the box there. We'll put that to the side. So this video just is going to be an overview of what comes in the box. It's a 2-in-1 coffee grinder, electric countertop grinder and portable hand grinder. There are a couple of configuration options. You can get the countertop grinder, which is this unit, or you can just purchase the hand grinder on its own, but both use the conical gears grinder burrs for the grinding action, and this is just a motorized attachment which plugs into the hand grinder effectively. Single dose capacity 50 grams. So change the way you grind forever. So we have what appears to be an instruction leaflet here. User manual. I won't really go into it, as you can probably just find it online on the website. So there you go, hand grinder, magnetic cup, electric dock and hand crank. So that's generally how it works. Axle lock tool, might have to read into that before I use it. Intending to use it almost immediately after this video is finished. So a nice foam cover there, and there she is. This is the electric version for Australia, and it is earth, which is nice. So here we have the main unit here, magnetic cup with a silica gel, and that is a nice detail in there. It's looks like it's laser etched. Magnetic cup, and then you have the adjustments, and there's also a guide on the bottom. So they really put a lot of thought into the details here. This is the handle for when you'd like to use the hand functionality. Very smooth action there, that's nice. And then we have the, I guess, centerpiece of it all, the dock itself. Metal construction, quite heavy, beefy, sturdy. Switch on the top, and a hopper slide here, which has a nice function with click indents at both ends. Feels very high quality. Switch feels high quality as well. Nice color accent there. And fairly compact for kitchen countertop use if space is an issue, and that's on the bottom there. This is a 240 volt Australian version, designed in EU, made in China. So that's the motor base there, and I believe that could be it for what's in the box. So fairly straightforward, and I'll leave it at that for the unboxing of the Arco electric coffee grinder / hand grinder.